In this video, I am going to show you how to manage your Elfsight account settings. Let's get started. To access your account settings in Elfsight, go to your Elfsight dashboard. In the top right corner, click your avatar and choose Account Settings. Inside this section, you will find several categories including Profile, Notifications, Account and Security, Language, and Billing. In the Profile section, you can update your personal information such as your name, profile photo, website, phone number, professional role, company industry, and date of birth. Under Notifications, you can control which emails you receive from Elfsight. This includes recommendations, monthly digests, affiliate updates, sales notifications, and personalized offers. The Account and Security section allows you to change your login email, update or reset your password, manage two-factor authentication, and permanently delete your account. Keep in mind that active paid subscriptions must be canceled before deleting your account. In the Language section, you can choose the default language for your widget's content. And finally, inside Billing, you can manage subscriptions, change plans, switch billing cycles, cancel auto-renewal, and download invoices from your payment history. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.